Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 14th, 2022. We're going to talk about Bitcoin today and try to figure out whether or not we need to sell Bitcoin and buy it at a cheaper price. I mean, everyone sees it. It's all on the news, mainstream media, social media. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin and the massive downturn that is occurring. We cannot act like we're surprised, though, because on this channel, we was giving you all a heads up as to what to expect in Bitcoin. So I'm going to do that again today. I'm going to give you all my expectations as to what's going to happen next in Bitcoin before it actually does it. So to those who are new, y'all appreciate the videos, go ahead and join me, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. I'm not here to give you no flood, no fuff, no FUD, no FOMO. I pay attention to what's going on the price charts. And once you all see that for yourself, you begin to say, wow, oh, wow, you can actually predict prices. Yes, you can. Without all of the confusion that everyone else is trying to get you all to conduct. So go ahead and join me. All right. Now, look at this. I did a video in Bitcoin on May the 26th, right? So let me zoom in on this price chart. You all can see that the expectation was for Bitcoin to go down. I was already in position expecting the crash that so many people has termed it. I was already looking for the price to go down in Bitcoin. So to see what happened yesterday into the market in Bitcoin, we can say that we didn't know about it. We knew about it at least on May the 26th. If you guys haven't seen my video then, you guys can go back and listen to it right now. It's still available. It's still public. Right there, 17.21% on yesterday's trading day. Came and took out our ultimate TP price. If we were to get out the market today though, you guys can see it's around 23%. All right, cool. Done, over. Now there's something we need to talk about though. Okay, something we need to talk about. Because I'm going to zoom out of this price chart. I want you all to see what happened into the market in Bitcoin when we compare the trend. Okay, look at this. You all can see how the market in Bitcoin has broken a massive uptrend recently. Now, this trend started back in March of 2020 during the pandemic. This is where we saw this monumental movement higher in price in Bitcoin, right? 1,531% run up from the low of March 2020 to the high of November 2021. It was a great run, but now things has changed. The dynamics into the market in Bitcoin has shifted. We should not be bullish into the market in Bitcoin right now. Let's keep it real. We should not be bullish right now. The trend has been broken, and it looked like it broke on June the 11th. 3 days ago. We shouldn't be bullish. Let's keep it real. So let's go ahead and show you all what to expect next, right? A lot of people are already eyeing $20,000. A lot of people are. Can we still see the price in Bitcoin come down to $20,000? Of course. That's the first level that we're going to try to pinpoint the buyers. Right there around 20,000. The second level is going to be around 17,500. That's the second level that we can follow and try to pay attention to see if the buyers are there. This whole move down in Bitcoin is simply the market trying to find ample amount of interest, ample amount of buyers to keep the price from falling. We haven't found it yet. We haven't found them. So be prepared for a price in Bitcoin to continue to go down. Look at Bitcoin on the 5-day. Okay. We really need to be paying attention to the market in Bitcoin here on a longer term basis, because on this current 5-day price bar, right? Look at that. Very widespread. It is confirming that it wants to break this long-term trend that started back in March of 2020. It is confirming that. So even if we were to see the market in Bitcoin come back up from where we are at now, and let's say it comes to $28,000, hey, and we cannot see price break back up above that trend, we're not going to be tricked. The market is not going to fool us, because we know it's a fake move higher. It's trying to catch people off guard and think that the down move in Bitcoin is over. We're not going to get tricked though. Not here. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. Let me show you all the weekly time frame here in Bitcoin as well. Last week is what has given us the idea that the weakness could continue. Like, look at this last completed weekly price bar right here that the arrow's pointed down to. Look at that. That is why the price in Bitcoin is still trending lower. And for us to not get the confirmation on this weekly price bar with all of the volume that came through, literally is letting us know that the buyers who bought on this weekly price bar was not successful. There was a lot more selling going on during the last couple of weeks than there were buyers. So the momentum hasn't changed just yet. We're still seeing weakness in the market for Bitcoin. All right. So I've already identified two areas that I wanted us to pay attention to. That first one is $20,000. The second one is around 17,000 what? 500. Yep. We're there. Now, we're not going to expect the trend to change or, looking at Bitcoin going down until we see pricing break $28,000. So let me show you all that level too. So right around here. Okay. Right around there. So we are breaking the trend. So I am no longer looking for Bitcoin to bounce off of this ascending line because it decided it didn't want to. So we're going to get rid of this ascending line. The trend is broken. So there's no need for us to focus in on that area. We're in a massive downtrend. It's been confirmed. So let's go ahead and do the play. Okay, because I'm still looking for price in Bitcoin to go down. Okay. And that first area for us to come through and profit off the market move is $20,000. So that gives us what, 10.47% profitability. The second price target is around 17,500, which gives us around 22% movement to the downside. Now, the issue that I have to tell you all is that I don't know when this is going to happen. Like the timing aspect of it, who knows? It could happen 3 days, it could happen 3 weeks, it could happen 3 months. But the direction, the sentiment is how we know that the market weakness is still here. So we're going to continue to follow this in the market for Bitcoin. We're going to continue to place some weakness here into the market. We are in position. We understand that what happened recently into the market, even in the whole cryptocurrency space, is what's confirming how the market is still here in a downtrend. Now Bitcoin is participating. So we're going to continue to look forward to the market in Bitcoin dropping or going down in price as we continue to see the market trade throughout the month of June. All right, so that is it. We're back in position. We're still looking and anticipating the price in Bitcoin to go down. Now it's your turn. Tell me, what do you all think? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.